sensible. Well, she said nothing but yes and no. She did not say much more, I must confess, but then she always said yes or no in the right place. Did...
Starbucks?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh, another accident.
Oh shit.
Kablam.
What happened there?
Whoa! My God. You fucking, oh my God, I almost got into a car accident. Holy shit.
Fuck you, buddy! Holy fuck! Sorry, I don't mean to swear, but holy shit!
The fuck is the matter with you? Oh shit!
Tom, il a aimé ça.
Wow, 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 wow. Connard!
Il nous a pas vus.
Ouais, non, il a jamais regardé.
Oh, Jesus! Oh my God!
That's what you fucking get. That's what you fucking get, asshole.
Oh my God!
I got that on fucking dash cam.
Oh
Yo.
my God!
Wow.
Bro, what I shot Reddit, dude.
Holy shit!
You get to the porch, listen to my
Anyway, so yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of tech stories about this. I'm thinking like, you know, like I gotta figure out the network stuff. I gotta figure out smart home stuff. Some of my smart home stuff I would love to use again. Some of it I
or his candidacy for president again. So we were like, this is about a year before people even start talking about this. Right. One of the reasons was for this. I think he knew these guys were gonna come after him. He's like, all right.